Hi guys, today we are going to do something unique. So this is my GoPro Max, very latest, and then and it is quite heavy. So what I'm going to try today, so this is my Mavic Air 2 with the gimbal protection. So I'm going to attach my GoPro on top of the Mavic Air 2. I didn't do before, I did not try this before, but this is an experiment. So it's quite heavy. Anyway, this is 500 gram over, so this is about, this is 150 gram, so it's going to be about nearly 700 gram. So we are ready with the helipad, and let me fix this. Come take a look. So what I did is the mounting piece already placed here, but it's overlapping the battery, because if I put the corner, it's not balanced actually. So let's try. Okay, so this is a GoPro. Let me on it. Guys, hopefully 750 over GoPro and then 1600 over Mavic Air 2 will survive this testing. Okay, let's try. I will put in this in the 360 camera. This is better. Yep. Let me attach to this. Come take a look, guys. Here we go. Hopefully it will not drop. Okay, quite windy here. So as I mentioned earlier, how to fix this my handphone to the controller, quite easy, using the iPhone. So first thing, you have to take out this pin for joystick, this way. Mavic Air 2 done the great job for this pin. Actually, they have given the two extra, these two, as we can hide here on the controller. So already charged. Check it out, this link here, how to fix this easily. So I'll do this video. So this hole, the wire you hold behind and push the thumb. There we go, and wire you can fix back. Okay, before on the controller, yep, there we go. Gimbal is auto calibrating. So GoPro Max is one of the best camera I ever had, 360 camera, and is really very good. Take a look, quite new. Hopefully survive after this testing. Let's try. It's mounted on my this little guy here. Open the propellers. I didn't try this before. This is the first time, so hopefully will be success. It don't drop. Yeah. Okay, on my controller. We go. So we are here. Oh, so check it out, guys. We are actually a warning zone. We shouldn't do the drone here. You can see. So you can see the blue color is a restricted area, and this edge is actually not supposed to fly the drone. This is a warning zone. So let's do a small testing. As I said before fly the drone, you have to do the compass calibration. Start 360 turn. Quite funny looking with the GoPro Max on top of the Mavic Air 2. Okay, now we have to turn to this way. This is how to do the compass calibration. Okay, successful. Once you get a successful message on the controller, you are ready to fly. But this is the first time, guys. You can check it out. I did not try this before. Let me on the camera first, on the GoPro. Okay, let's try. So how to take off? Take this two joystick, then there will come message here. Check. Okay, done. Here we go. Okay, take off. Windy. There we go. Yeah. Guys, this is the first time I'm trying this my GoPro Max on top of my Mavic Air 2. It's quite heavy actually. This not tried. I never tried this before, so quite amazing. And also you can see the background. This is in the Toa Payoh. This playground very unique, and then one and only in the Singapore. That's a very important. Okay, let's take some footage here. Okay, here we are doing recording by GoPro Max 360 camera plus our Mavic Air 2. Let's go near. Guys, so far so good. It's quite amazing experience. First time I'm trying this with the Mavic Air 2 on top of the Mavic Air 2 carrying my GoPro Max. Let's go to the other side. Okay, here you go, guys. Now as I say, on top of the GoPro, on top of the Mavic Air 2, carrying my GoPro Max, just newly bought. So that's quite risky because it's quite heavy for the drone. So this is the first try. Let me try a bit higher and then go backward. Quite stable. Thanks. Really, thank you for Mavic Air 2 to carry my GoPro Max actually. So unique footage. This is in Toa Payoh in Singapore. What you see in the background, actually this playground in Singapore, only one you can see. This is very unique playground. Okay, let's go up. Yeah, in Singapore we can only maximum 100 feet already my Mavic Air 2 with the GoPro. Let me take a 360 footage here. With the Mavic Air 2 carrying the GoPro Max. Amazing. This is the first time I try, guys. It's quite stable. guys, thank you for watching Travel with Ricky YouTube channel. Today is something new, and then we are just experiment how to carrying the GoPro Max by Mavic Air 2. Such a beautiful footage. I'm going to do them a quick shot here. Let's do one quick shot. Okay, now we are going to land our GoPro Max with the Mavic Air 2. Let's try. Yeah, successful landing. Guys, this is a GoPro Max with Mavic Air 2. It's quite heavy. Really successful flight. Actually, before flight, I did not believe that we can do it. So somehow I did it very well. Machine is quite warm. When I touch it, it's super hot. Even it's burning hot. You can see that. That day when I was uploading this video, one of my friend YouTube, he asked, "What is all this actually? Can you give me quick review on this Mavic Air 2?" Yeah, this is sensors. This black color is the sensors front, and then we have some two behind, and behind as well. We have two more here. So that is the LED light. So beautiful, actually worth more money. So you guys try, don't need to worry. It's quite heavy, but still he can hold the weight and take a nice beautiful footage. I will off my GoPro Max. So thank you for watching Travel with Ricky. Today is a very sunny day and very hot here, Singapore. See you again with the beautiful footage, beautiful place. Please subscribe and like and share. See you. Bye bye.